Just got back from the garden, harvested, well, here you can see, a good bunch of tomatoes, and I went inside and grabbed the camera, which just, I'm gonna set those tomatoes down, and take you on a little tour of the farm, a little late June update. Bella, being a good girl, yes you are. Bubbles, are you being a good girl? Always, huh? Always. All right. But I thought I would bring you out and show you everything that's going on in the farm. The first stop will be, I'll show you in the greenhouse here. Just a little bit of everything that's going on. I did show an updated video on kind of my sprinkler misting system here in the greenhouse, which has been working really good. This flat of lettuce just came out here yesterday, and about 95% germination on that, really good. Carrots, this lettuce, these guys are a few weeks away. These will be going out here next week to acclimate at the start of the week. And then these are just a week or two old. So a lot of lettuce going, the fan's going, put an inlet there, a lot happening. Here's the kale, which has been getting pretty buggy. The mosaic bugs are doing some damage on it, but still a good amount of, I mean, it's still fine to eat, but not so much saleable anymore. But you can see here, still some good kale. I saw someone said if you don't have bug bites on your kale, then it's inedible. That was really interesting. If the bugs don't want to eat it, then should you be wanting to eat it? That was an interesting thought. Here we have, well, this was Premier Kale, which I really enjoyed this spring. But here, since I had to pull some out, or was pulling some out, I transplanted lettuce, so summer lettuce, but then I also left some in. You can see here, down here. And I have summer lettuce that I planted right at the base. I just wanted to see how that would do. And so far, the lettuce is all growing good. You know, we're not here in this, well, it is hot, but it's not extremely hot, but it's getting there. Here's my marigolds, kind of my little end of my row hedges. The bugs really love the marigolds. The sunflowers, which, if you can tell, I'm 5'10" in a little bit, and that guy is well over 6 foot. Here we've got, oh, this is my first one that has come through, but these are my Oriental yard-long beans, which right now is about 20 inches, so that's pretty cool. Excited for those. We've got a lot of beans. Let's see, do we have some? We do. We've got some dragon tongue beans, which are really pretty cool. I like those. You can saute them up. We've got some pole beans here that are climbing up, looking good. Some more marigolds. Oh, there's some chard. Forgot to show, but the chard's growing really well. Some more beans, some purple beans. Pull one off here. Purple beans. More purple beans. More beans, beans. These guys are kind of running towards the end of their growth period. Again, this is going to be summer lettuce. So, hoping to have this all summer lettuce out by the time, well, by the end of the summer. We've got tomatoes, which you saw earlier. I did harvest a good amount of them. Oh, here is a pretty fun one. I think this is, these are actually, I forget what, well, okay, this is, I think this is oxheart actually. So those are oxheart tomatoes. What, Bubbles? The dog's barking at something. What do you want? All right, well, you guys do your thing, have fun. But tomatoes are growing well, growing good. Oh, here's a fun one. These beans, I forget which type of beans these are, but these are type of, you would, for storage. Here, let me set this up real quick. But you just take them, kind of crack them. This one wasn't 100% ready, but they look like little black-eyed peas. Not 100% sure what type of beans they are because I need to go inside and look at my seed packet, but they're growing really good. So excited about that. Some cucumber. Oh, here I'll show you my first real big one of the year so far. Nice big guy there. Looking really good. Dr. Miller's gonna be happy. I'm not necessarily the biggest cucumber fan, but she loves having cucumber and tomato sandwiches, so she will really, really enjoy that. Okra. It's my first year growing okra. It's been growing really good. See here, I got a couple nice okras ready to go. I've just actually, someone had mentioned it, but here, let me pop one off. Well, if I can get it. Twist it. Yeah, you want your clippers pretty much for these. They're pretty tough. But someone had mentioned to try just having it. Really good. Really good. I come out and have maybe one of these a day. Big fan. There is some mint. Some beets, which here I'll pull one out. Those are cylindrical, not as pretty. See if we have some, here we go. Nice round beet ready to go. We're ready to harvest. Looking really good. Got nice golden leaves. I love that. Here is some turnips, just a few turnips. And then here's some summer lettuce that I've got started. Basil here. Mint. Some really tall sunflowers, which I came out here and it looks like a bird's been perching on the leaves, picking out all my sunflower seeds, but that's all right. We all get a little bit. Well, I'll be happy. Some buzz buttons or yellow zappers. Been sharing those with a lot of family and friends, and they've been enjoying them a lot, so that's been fun. You can see they're a really pretty bright yellow flower, but they'll numb your mouth. We'll come down here and start at my peppers. Got a lot of bell peppers. These are both 2 rows of peppers. Bell peppers. Here is Purple Beauty. Looking good. Got some, I think these are California Wonder bell peppers. Coming along nicely. We've got some, not bell peppers, but some hot peppers. These are, I think, Jimmy Nardinello peppers. We got some, I think these are Hungarian wax peppers, so hot yellow peppers. Some habaneros, which that one is ready to go. When it gets red, it's nice and hot. Those are good. Let's see what else we've got here. Just some more bell peppers. Not a ton that are ripe yet, and I probably should pick a few because I really want those plants to be putting their energy towards producing fruit. And here we go. If you know me, you know this is my all-time favorite pepper and plant. This is peppercini. These they're not very spicy. The ones I get, at least. You can get spicy ones at the store, like pickled or jarred. But these have a little bit of heat, but a ton of flavor, very juicy, really sweet. It's sweet, it's like there's a juice. I mean, those are my favorite. Love pepperoncinis. Got some more hot peppers here. These are cayennes. These will be very hot here. Some habanero type peppers. Yeah, these are like scorpion or Bach Julette peppers. Spicy. Here are some, I think these are Scotch bonnets. So let's see if we can get down there and show you. There you go. Scotch bonnet, pretty sure. So looks good. My Ancho Grande peppers. Let's step over here. I had to stake these up because they were getting a little bit crazy, but they're looking good. A little small. I got some bigger ones that I had harvested earlier. I'm not seeing a ton. And then Dr. Miller and my second favorite pepper, cherry hot peppers. So these get bright red. They're hot like a jalapeno, but I find they have a lot more flavor, so we really enjoy them, and they're really fun. Here's my tomatoes, which I've unfortunately let get a little bit crazy. They needed, I was doing a Florida weave type method where I kind of weave twine in between these poles, but time got away from me and they've kind of grown out, so I need to kind of hopefully maneuver them up there without breaking them too badly. Here is some yellow tomatoes. Been picking these, really, really sweet. Give it a try. Juicy. Fantastic. Ooh, here we go. Here's my eggplants. It's my first year growing eggplant. Here's a black beauty, growing good. And then we got a lot of Casper or white eggplants. Good. But then here, these ones were my early starts and looking fantastic. This one's probably, I could harvest and to let the plant focus on some more of them. I'll probably do that here pretty soon, but I'm gonna do it right now. Nice white eggplant. That's gonna make a good dinner. I think I might put that in the air fryer. Let's see what else we've got. Well, let's move the camera here. There we go. More peppers. Let's see. Ow, my eggplant kind of has some spikes up there. It hurts. Oh, some more tomatoes. This will just show you here. I guess I didn't really jump in on these. But, well, yeah, I did. But these are more so my heirloom type tomatoes. You can see they're coming along. Looking good. So, I'm excited about them. Let's see here. All right, I'll show you a little harvest. Just while we were going at it there, got my beet. A little more brightness. Oh! All right, got a beet, looking good. White eggplant, okra, and peppercini. I don't know if these will make it into dinner tonight, but they will definitely make it into dinner very soon, very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little walk around the farm, the garden. Got to see everything. Got to see all the produce, the greenhouse. Yeah, if you haven't heard already, I love you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll sign off with Bubbles and Bella. You know, they don't ever want to end a video without them. Girls, why don't you say goodbye? Bubbles, Bella. All right, we'll see you guys.